In this short video, I'm going to introduce a few text functions in Excel. First, it's the left function. So here on cell A3 has a name, Reggie Miller. I want to return the first 4 characters in the string. The function is going to be left, A3, and 4. Similarly, I can use the function right. That's A3, the input is text. Going to return the right 4 characters. That's LLER. I can use trim function to remove the spaces from a text string except for single spaces. So all I need to do is trim A3 and the extra space is removed between Reggie and Miller. I can use a function called LEN to return the number of characters in cell A3 that include the space between Reggie and Miller. After the space is trimmed, I want to know how many characters in cell C5. So I'm going to use a function len C5, that's 13 space. I can use a mid function to return some of the characters in the middle of the text string in cell A3. The function is mid going to return the second character and start from second character. You want to return 5 characters in the text string in cell A3. So that's mid function, A3, starting from the second character and then return in total 5 characters. So that result is Aggie. The function find will return the location of the text. So here, say find a space in cell A3, the first space. So that's in the 7th position. Similarly, I can use find function to find the first R in cell A3. So that's going to be R, it's a string, so you're going to put into double quotation in cell A3, the first one. Find function is case sensitive, so the position is at the end, so it's 15. Search function has the same syntax as find, but it is not case sensitive, so it will return the position is the first. Excel also allows one to combine the first and the last name that put in the different cell. So here, the function is going to be A1, and then leave a space in between, and then B1. Combine this 3 together, so that's a proper name, full name. First name and the last name have a space in between. Excel also allows you to replace some of the characters in a cell. For example, I would like to replace GG with NN in the cell A3. So the function I'm going to enter is going to be replace A3, start counting from the 3rd character and then replace 2 characters with NN. So the result is Reggie Miller. You can also use function to change cases of the names. If I want to change all the characters with lowercase, simply put lower for cell C12. So it will return all the lower cases. If you put a function called upper, then you're going to return a name with all letters in uppercase. And if you use a proper in cell C17, it will return a name with the proper lower and upper cases. Excel also allows you to replace the spaces with something else. So space is counted as a character. Here, the function is going to use function substitute D17, the spaces in D17 with asterisk. So the result is I love Office 365 and it's separate with asterisk. You can also specify which space to be replaced by asterisk. So in this function substitute D17, only replace the 3rd space with asterisk. And then that's the result. So that's it. Those are very useful text functions in Excel allows you to manipulate text streams in cells. Thanks for watching.